ISO Rick Ross has replaced Lil Wayne with Gucci Mane as the artist who's going to perform at his upcoming car show. He's out here all iced out, showing off his jewelry and his Jacob & Co timepiece. He is out here in his hangar where he'll be keeping his private jet, and he is riding around the place on a bicycle. Let's check it out.
Pull your cars out. I want to see you. All that. I want to see you. Rose want to see you. Yeah. June 3rd at the car show. Who performing? Yeah, Ricky Rose and who? Wow. Oh man, you can't miss the biggest event of the year. The Ricky Rose Car and Bike Show, performing live. Rick Ross and who? Gucci Mane, you better believe it. You see how Guwop did that? Yeah. June 3rd, get your tickets online right now. Don't miss it. Classic cars, rich homies, sexy ladies, nothing but fly vendors, great food, great drinks, homies from everywhere. It's networking, like Guwop said. This that bike, this that trike I bought the other day. I'm gonna pull it out later on the day and go for a ride. Something I enjoy. Collection going up. June 3rd, the big boy bike thing going down in a major way. All the big boy bikers, come on out. Let's go. Let's go, June 3rd.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.